A very good morning to all of you. In this class, I am going to start with another topic of chapter Principles of Inheritance and Variation, and the topic is mutation. So, students, start करते हैं with the mutation. Mutation. What is mutation? That means कि any changes occur in the DNA genetic material. So, sudden change in genetic material cause mutation. Sudden change in genetic material or DNA cause the mutation. Sudden change in genetic material cause mutation. Now, during the mutation, there are so many causes of mutation, sudden change, which cause the sudden change in DNA. That is, first cause may be duplication of genetic material. That means कि if this is the small segment of DNA where the genetic sequence are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now the small portion from 5 to 7 duplicate or repeat once again. That is 5, 6, 7 and repeat again. 5, 6, 7 and 8, 9, 10. Now, due to the duplication of these small segments from 5 to 7 causes the mutation, because that represent the change in the genetic material or change in the DNA sequence. So, the change in DNA sequence caused by the repetition or duplication of small segment of DNA causes mutation. Now, second reason or second cause of mutation is the frame shift mutation. Frame shift mutation. Now, frame shift mutation is also considered as a mutation, because in the frame shift mutation, when any gain and loss of a small section or gain of loss of a nitrogenous base occur in the genetic material or in the DNA molecule, that causes the mutation. What happened during this formation? If we take the genetic sequence, here is because we know the read of genetic sequence, read it in the triplet codon or in the form of triplet codon. That means कि the presence of there are presence of different type of nitrogenous base, adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine, that may be present in different way. T, T, C, G, C, C, G, G, A, C, C, A. For example, here is the genetic sequence of DNA. Now, this can be read as a AAT in a form of triplet codon. That is, this three nitrogenous base add one amino acid together with these nitrogenous base add another amino acid, and this another code another amino acid, and this one code another amino acid. All these amino acid added with each other, and these three again converted into the code another amino acid. All these amino acid bind with each other by the polypeptide bond or peptide bond, and together with all these amino acids considered as protein. What happened when any nitrogenous base inserted suddenly in this frame or in the DNA, in the chain of the DNA molecule? So what happened during this process? If any loss or gain of a particular sequence takes place on DNA molecule, So that result in the frame shift mutation. What is the frame shift mutation? For example, if any nitrogenous base added to a DNA molecule or a sequence of DNA molecule, for example, adenine suddenly added to a sequence of DNA molecule, or for this, if we write the sequence of DNA molecule, the sequence of DNA molecule get changes. For example, here is T added in between the both the T, so A T T C G C C G A C C A. Now here is the another type of DNA sequence which is formed by the insertion of adenine, which can be formed by the insertion of adenine, and during the formation of during the protein synthesis, the code readed in the form of triplet codon. So what amino acid get formed, or how the these nitrogenous bases read in the form of triplet codon, because one adenine is added in between the T or T, thymine, or here is also thymine. So again the sequence readed in the form of triplet codon. So here is AAT, add amino acid, because after this TTC present, but because of one adenine is added in between the A, so from the triplet codon start from the A, from the adenine, that adenine, thymine. But here is the thymine and cytosine triplet codon before the addition of adenine. After the addition of adenine, the sequence turn into the triplet codon, adenine, thymine, and cytosine transfer into another triplet codon, cytosine, guanine, cytosine, and here the sequence readed as guanine, cytosine, third triplet codon, and here is third triplet codon is cytosine, guanine, and cytosine. Cytosine, guanine, adenine, cytosine, and another transfer into the another code. So that causes the shift of overall sequence of DNA, shift of triplet codon. That's why the due to the insertion or due to the deletion of a particular sequence or a particular nitrogenous base causes the frame shift mutation, because all the triplet codon gets shifted by, because the codons read in the triplet form or triplet form में read किया जाएगा. Due to this reason, that's why the frame gets shifted after the addition of adenine or after the deletion of nitrogenous base. So nitrogenous base deletion of nitrogenous base is another example of the frame shift mutation, but in this type of mutation, after the addition of adenine causes the frame shift mutation. Now second cause of the mutation is point mutation. Third, point mutation. Point mutation cause when any of nitrogenous base replace the other nitrogenous base, as in case of sickle cell anemia, where adenine replaced by thymine, and causes when adenine replaces the thymine, the code before the addition of thymine or before the replacement of adenine, the code can be read as GAG, but after the replacement of adenine, the code triplet codon read as GUG or GAG codes the glutamic acid and where the GAG codes the valine. So there is a huge difference between the addition of these two amino acid, glutamic acid and valine. Glutamic acid is a polar amino acid and actually a acidic amino acid which causes the interaction in between the nitrogenous base and also cause interaction in between the polypeptide of hemoglobin, and that interaction actually give the specific nature of polypeptide through which they bind the oxygen or through which they get interact and become proper folded so that they can easily bind with oxygen. Due to the absence of this glutamic acid on the sixth position of polypeptide chain, the valine do not cause such interaction, or because the nature of the valine is neutral amino acid and actually this is non-polar amino acid or do not have any charges. So due to this reason actually the polypeptide chain of hemoglobin are less or said to be improper folded. Due to improper folding of this polypeptide chain of hemoglobin actually unable to bind the oxygen, and due to the less efficiency of oxygen inside the RBCs causes the distorted structure of the RBC. Due to the distorted structure of RBC result in the sickle cell shape of RBC from biconcave shape to from biconcave structure, the RBC converted into the sickle shape. That's why the structure, due to this structure, the RBC are not able to flow easily in the blood circulatory system, or due to less fluidity or viscosity also said to be because they are not able to transfer or flow in the blood circulatory system because of their structure or because of sickle shaped structure of RBC, so that they block or they become they block during the blood circulatory system, or also create blockage in the passes of the blood circulatory system, so that they finally destroyed, they undergoes in the degeneration process in the spleen. They transfer into the spleen for the degeneration process, or due to which finally the person get anemic in condition, because all the RBCs those are distorted in structure actually transfer into the spleen for the degeneration. Due to the degeneration of these RBCs, the person become anemic in condition. The point mutation is a mutation which is caused by a change in the nitrogenous base. For example, here is the nitrogenous base GAG, AAGCCG. For example, now here is the sixth position of this triplet codon present in the DNA molecule, and that adenine replaced by the another thymine, because point mutation is a point there is not in frame shift mutation actually due to the addition of these adenine, all the frame gets shifted or triplet codon gets shift, or due to the shifting of these triplet codon all the amino acid get changes, because here the amino acid, for example A1 coded by the GCC, now here is CGC. Now triplet codon is CGC, so that coded another type of amino acid. Due to this reason, the all the amino acid get changes by this frame shift mutation. But in the point mutation, the change in amino acid is fixed at the position, that is at sixth position. The change in amino acid takes place on the DNA molecule, but the reason is fixed in the DNA molecule, that not beside this sixth position no any changes occur on the DNA molecule. No any other changes occur on DNA molecule. So here is the sequence where the on the sixth position the GAG is present, which is replaced, the adenine is replaced by the thymine, or the sequence is present in here is GTG, and because here this region is DNA molecule, the changes occur on DNA molecule, not on mRNA molecule. Due to this reason, when the transcription occur and this code just copy on the mRNA molecule, because we know in the mRNA molecule the thymine is replaced by the uracil. For example, here is जब इन्हें उतारा जाएगा because another sequence is DNA from the another DNA sequence, because the DNA here is the one strand and the second strand is the changes occur in the sequence of 5 prime to 3 prime, and the strand with 3 prime to 5 prime actually have the G, here is G, then here is C, A, T, G again, C. Now when the sequence just copied on the mRNA molecule, so mRNA molecule synthesis occur on the strand which has polarity of 3 prime to 5 prime in direction, so that mRNA can continuous synthesize on the DNA molecule. Now when the transcription occur, the mRNA synthesize on the DNA molecule, so this code just copied on the mRNA molecule is actually G, because thymine is present on the DNA molecule, mRNA molecule. Now the sequence is G, because T is replaced by the here G, T is replaced by U, and again G. Now the sequence is present as like this, GUG. So GUG present at 6th position, and here is again 6th position. At 6th position, before the synthesis or before the replacement, the GAG code for the glutamic acid, but due to the exchange of this reason, or due to the exchange of thymine, or exchange because thymine replaced the adenine, or due to this reason the GUG codes the valine amino acid. Valine is actually non-polar amino acid, or also said to be neutral amino acid, and glutamic acid G, which coded by the GAG, actually a glutamic acid, and glutamic acid is a polar amino acid or acidic amino acid, and that creates the attraction in between the polypeptide chain, because this change occur in the polypeptide chain of the RBC. Now the cells which are, or RBC, which because the RBC undergoes, when they undergoes in the translation process, during the transcription or translation process, in the transcription the changes occur, or the conversion of the codon, triplet codon takes place from GAG to GUG. Due to this reason, the change in the amino acid causes the addition of valine in the 6th position of polypeptide chain of the hemoglobin, because hemoglobin formed by the 2 chain alpha and beta chain. 2 alpha chain and 2 beta chain. That is a tertiary protein, quaternary protein, because more than 2 polypeptide chains are present. More than 2 polypeptide chains are present. Due to this reason, they form the quaternary protein, structure of protein. So in the polypeptide chain of the hemoglobin, actually have the valine at the 6th position. That's why they causes the distortion in the structure of the hemoglobin. When the structure of hemoglobin get distorted, so they are not able to bind with oxygen molecule. That causes low efficiency in the of oxygen molecule in the hemoglobin in the RBC, or due to this reason the overall due to less efficiency of oxygen causes the distortion in the structure of RBC. That RBC converted from the biconcave structure to the sickle shaped structure. Due to this reason they are not able to transfer into the blood circulatory system. That's why they undergoes in degeneration process, or due to the degeneration process the person has to be caused anemia, that is less number of RBCs caused by the person. Now the fourth is deletion. Fourth cause of mutation is deletion. Deletion, that is deletion of a small portion of the chromosome or of DNA. Deletion of, if the nitrogenous base, for example here is adenine, thymine, cytosine and guanine. So a small portion of this DNA molecule become deleted. So that's why after the deletion of a small portion of this DNA molecule causes the mutation. Now, so the A and T, here is A, C and G. The small portion is deleted after they become degenerated, and the two portion become ligated by the DNA ligase, the different enzyme. Now, fifth is addition. Fifth is addition. Addition is another cause of mutation where if here is DNA molecule, if some nitrogenous base is added in that portion, so addition is also causes a frame shift mutation, or also causes the another mutations. For example, here is adenine, thymine, cytosine, guanine, adenine, thymine, cytosine. For example, if thymine is added, or a small portion TAT is added, for example, added in that portion, so that also causes the frame shift mutation. Addition of certain nitrogenous base causes the frame shift mutation, so it is another type of mutation. Now, sixth mutation cause of mutation is inversion. Inversion type of mutation. For example, if a small portion of DNA become folded, now here is one, or here is the small portion of DNA where the genetic sequence are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For example, these are the genetic sequence, and when this DNA get fold or six, 7, 8, 9 cut by enzyme, that turning of the small portion of this DNA molecule get turned, then again they become ligated on the DNA segment. So what is the sequence of this DNA molecule after the inversion process? There is no deletion of such segment, or no addition of such segment. The DNA molecule, first they cut the DNA molecule cut by another mechanism, or the small portion of DNA molecule become rotated, and after the rotation they again ligated by the DNA molecule, parent DNA molecule. For example, they ligated by the different. For example, here is 1, 2, because the inversion of, or the DNA, this DNA molecule become inverted. So 6, here 6, 5, 4, and here is 3. Again 7, 8, 9 as such, 7, 8, 9. Now from 1 to the sequence is considered as 1, 2, 6, 5, 4, 3, 7, 8, 9. So this reason also causes the mutation, because there is no deletion, no insertion of nitrogenous base, but due to the inversion of certain sequence, that causes the mutation, because that actually add the different type of amino acid during the protein synthesis. If during the protein synthesis, if this segment causes a specific protein, for example causes valine amino acid के बाद glycine added to the protein, and leucine, proline, for example. But due to the inversion of this segment, this DNA molecule and mRNA molecule not able to synthesize that type of protein, that type of sequence of amino acid. So that causes the different type of amino acid, or due to this reason due to this reason the mutation occur in the organism. Now inversion. After the inversion, some the other type of mutations, cause of mutation, these are the formation of thymidine dimer or UV radiation, that causes by the UV radiation. Thymidine dimer causes by the UV radiation. But before this, the 7th type of mutation is translocation. Translocation, that means here is chromosome which is caused in the Philadelphia disease caused by the translocation mechanism. For example, here is two type. Here is DNA molecule and two type of DNA or chromosome molecule. Now the small portion of this chromosome becomes separated and add on the different chromosome. For example, so here is a small portion of chromosome with now after the translocation, that means a small portion of chromosome becomes separated from a chromosome and get transferred on the B chromosome or attach on the B chromosome. So that type of chromosome also cause the mutation, because in that time, in such condition, the chromosome or the DNA molecule are not able to synthesize the specific type of protein. Now second, the last one is the formation of the thymidine dimer, which is caused by the UV radiation. Thymidine dimer, in such thymidine dimer part 8, formation of thymidine dimer. So thymidine dimer also causes the mutation, that is the thymine, two thymine become dimerized, so that इस तरीके से डाइमराइज हो जाते हैं कि they are not able to synthesize or not able to transfer on or coat the mRNA molecule. Due to this reason, they are not able to synthesize a particular type of protein or specific protein. So the formation of thymidine dimer caused by the UV radiation. Caused by the UV radiation. So UV radiation, from the UV radiation, the thymidine dimer mostly cause in the skin. or that causes the mutation. So due to the formation of two thymidine, or due to the formation of bond in between the two thymine region. So that is the another type of mutation.